2025, and today is Thursday, Monday, text 2021. Our next subject is mathematics. Why the topic is area. The topic is area. Don't forget the instruction to write in your mathematics notebook. Okay, write in your mathematics notebook. Then the exercise, the assignment should be done in your mathematics notebook. So, who can remind us our last topic on mathematics? Is there anybody that can remind us our last topic on mathematics? Okay, don't let us waste our time. Our last topic on mathematics was perimeter. Perimeter. Where we said perimeter is the measurement of the edge of a shape. Just like the textbook that I'm holding right here, when you start measuring from here to the other edge, here. Meanwhile, you can also name the edge of a shape. This place, you can call it A, B, C, D. And if you want to find the perimeter of a shape, you are going to calculate all the what? The measurement of that edge, of the edge of that shape, which is A plus B plus C plus D, which is triangle should be what? A plus B plus C. Now let's go to today's work. Now we want to look at surface. Surface. Last week, remember I said this something on perimeter, which is measurement of the edge of a shape. Why? So area. Area is the surface of a cover. The surface of a cover. Look at this textbook that I'm holding right here. All the surface, the face of that textbook is what? Is the area. Just like your triangle, the face of your triangle is what? Is the area of the triangle. Look at this box. The face of this box is what? Is the area of the box. That is why they said area is the surface of a cover. Or you said the surface of a cover is known as the area of the cover. The surface of this textbook is known as what? The area of this textbook. The surface of this board, it means the face, the front page of this board is known as what? Is known as area of the board. Okay? Look at this box that I drew here. Look at it. You can see we have many squares in the box. If we count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 squares. 6 squares in this box that I drew on the board. Now let's start finding areas by counting the numbers of squares in each shape. We want to find the area by counting the numbers of squares in each shape. Look at this shape that I drew here. And even this box, if you try and open it, just get the box in your house, then try and open it, scatter everything, but don't tear it, just try and remove it and spread it on the floor. So for you to count the number of square on that box is known as the area. Are you getting that? The area of that square in the box is known as the area. Now look at this example, look at what I drew here. How many? They said we should find the area by counting the number of squares. What we're going to do is to count the number of squares. Look at this shape. Now you can see this is a square, this is a square, this is another square. Square, 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 square. So we are asked to count the number of square in each shape. Now let's start counting from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please, how many squares are we having here? We are having 7 squares. Just write it here. 7 squares. Let's check example 2. The instruction is still the same. We should find the areas by counting the squares on each shape. Let's count the shape again. The squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means we are having 6 squares. 6 squares in the second example. Your exercise is on page 110. Go open to page 110. Exercise 5. Page 1, exercise 19. Page 112, 110, exercise 19. Look at it. Find the areas of the given colored. Find the areas of the given colored shape in square units. It means we are going to count the number of squares that are colored. Okay? Each small squares has an area of 1 square unit, which means, just like the example, 1 square here, it means what? 1 square unit. If you're having 2 squares, that is what? 2 squares unit. If you're having 3 squares in the shape given to you, it means what? You are having 3 square units. Just like the exercise you are going to do, find the areas of the given colored shape in square units. It means in number 1A here, we are going to what? Count the number of the colored shapes, which is, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. It means we are having 46 square units. We are having how many? We are having 46 square units. I've done number 1A. Now we are going to do number 1B by yourself. You are going to do number 1C, number 1D. Remember, this is how you are going to get the answer. Count the colored shape. The colored shapes in square units. Then do number 2. Number 3, okay, you are going to do number 1, 2, and 3. That is your exercise. And make sure you do it in your mathematics notebook. But you don't need to draw anything in number 1. You just have to count the answer, the number of the squares, and write it in your mathematics notebook. See you in the next class, and if there is any question, please ask me. Remember to watch the video on Gloryland YouTube channel for better understanding. See you.